Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing good today. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I have been super slow at starting my day today. My phone has been ringing off the hook all morning long after my husband left for the gym. And now I've got about 2 perfect hours to get things going and motivate myself. I knew I was going to wake up slow today because after taking all that wallpaper down yesterday, I knew I was going to get up and I tell you, my arm is it's killing me. I feel my age today, guys. I feel my age plus my husband's age put together. It's not real cold here and actually very mild, which is crazy for this time of year for us. But I feel cold, but I think the reason why I do is because when I am exhausted, I feel cold. And so I just drank me a big hot chocolate thinking I could warm up, and I'm still cold. But I got to get up. I've got to do some laundry. I have got to clean my kitchen really, really good. I got to gather garbages today. Tomorrow I'm going shopping with Ronnie, but today I need to dedicate this entire day to at least this first floor of the house to clean it really, really good. Now, sometime Friday, I could probably finish upstairs, but I have just been so busy taking that wallpaper down that now I feel like I have all these loose ends I need to tie up, which I'm going to take care of here today and tomorrow. Last night got done with the wallpaper. Got it all cleaned up, and I think I said in my last vlog, I made coffee. It was ready to drink this morning, which was wonderful. I had a hot bubble bath last night, put on clean jammies, got underneath my electric blanket, and I was out like a light. I have no issue going to sleep whatsoever. And it was all good for me. I had a good night's sleep last night. So, but I woke up this morning, a little bit of a sinus thing going on, which I kind of figured I would have with all the nasty, dirty wallpaper and everything I took down yesterday. I never, ever, ever want to see wallpaper ever again. I never want to see it again. But now comes the fun part. I do have to get a really hot rag, wipe down the walls, make sure that there is no anything on the walls, because I did use fabric softener to take it down, and I need to make sure that there's nothing there, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to let it dry for a couple days, make sure there's no moisture or anything, and then I'm going to actually paint my dining room, and that will get done, and that will be such an awesome feeling to at least have at least one coat of paint all the way around, just to make it nice and clean in there for Christmas, in time for Christmas, so we can enjoy it. I just think even though the walls need to be painted, I sit here and I look at it and I think, wow, I don't have to look at that awful wallpaper anymore, even though it's not perfected in there by no means. It's just so much cleaner and clean lined, it just makes me very happy. So I'm glad I persevered yesterday and pushed through and got that done. So hopefully you guys find that motivating to you guys, because sometimes you look at projects like that and it's going to take you some time, but it's so much easier to kind of procrastinate things than rather get onto it and get it done. And I was so glad I put everything else off. And of course now I got to play catch-up game today, but that's okay because I'm going to do it. So because I'm so glad that this is done. It looks so nice. I'm going to quit talking now, and I'm going to get on to working. So I'm just checking in real quickly. I'm sorry I haven't filmed much today. This vlog may yet be the most boring one that you see. Oh my goodness. So I've been cleaning since Ronnie left this morning. I've had a really nasty migraine headache, and it's just now starting to subside. When Ronnie gets home, he always takes a shower, gets dressed. We have a cup of coffee, and then I start doing dinner. I have washed 3 loads of clothes today, and I need to fold those up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My day has been kind of boring. The sun's not really shining too much outside today, but it's 60 degrees. I turned my heat off in my house. I have no air on whatsoever. And it's amazing. But I do know that there are some places that's supposed to get some pretty bad storms, and I hate that. Enough already, really. But anyways, I sprayed my house, well, after I cleaned in here real good, I sprayed my throw pillows and my curtains. I bought this new pine scented Febreze. It smells like Christmas in here for sure. I really like it. It's not an overpowering, like a pine saw, like strong pine saw. It's just very mild, like I have a candle burning in here. It smells really, really good. A little bit of Christmas in here right now. We will probably more than likely watch a movie later on this evening while I'm folding clothes. I've got to make my grocery list up today. So I'm just sitting here drinking water, just waiting for my lovely husband to get home. I miss him today. I hate it when we part ways, but that might be him. You hear the dog barking? When the bus is coming through, that dog goes crazy. Let's see if it's him. The spray I'm using. It works really, really good. All right, it is dinner time. This looks funny, doesn't it? We've got some Mrs. Schubert's rolls. I'm going to pop those in the oven. The oven's on. I'm going to turn my water on high. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to add some salt, and I'm just doing regular spaghetti noodles in there. And then I'm going to make Alfredo sauce. And I thought I would just share this in case you are curious how I do this. I've got some fresh parsley, pepper, and some onion flakes. And I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese, about 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to add a couple cups of milk. And, you know, you can add as much milk really as you want. But I just add about 2 cups of milk because it's just for me and Ronnie. And then when all of this melts down in the milk, I add any cheese that I have. And I've got this mild cheddar, so I'll add about a 3/4 of a cup of that. And some Parmesan cheese, you know, the powdered Parmesan cheese to it. And then I've got some frozen, peeled, deveined, and shelled, already pre-cooked. It says colossal shrimp, and they come from Walmart. I'm going to pull the tails off of them. I'll add them to my sauce. We'll have my sauce on top of the pasta and have some nice, fresh, baked rolls to go with it. And I think that sounds so good to me tonight. So I'm going to get this going. I'm going to put some heat under it and get this going and get this stirred up. And as it cooks, I'll try to show you what it looks like. There is my sauce. Sorry about the lighting, but it is evening. And I just turned it down on low because it's all nice and melted. And at first it won't look like it's going to come together, but as it sits with the Parmesan cheese in it, and the cheese, this is the one I'm using, very inexpensive, it will thicken upon standing. I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to add in my shrimp to this, and I'm going to show them to you. Here they are, right here. And I'm going to cut them in two, because see how big they are? I'm going to cut them in half and add them into my sauce. Here is dinner. It smells really good. It's easy to make. And we're watching the news. Big romantic evening tonight. Watching the news and eating this. But I'm hungry and it smells fantastic. So I'm going to dive right in. I am getting into bed and I'm warming my feet with my new, this is my new electric blanket. Got it on under here. It is plenty warm. And then I pull this one up and I am set to go to bed. Well, guys, I don't think it's going to be a very exciting vlog today. Had just a regular day at home doing regular things. Washing dishes, washing clothes. I folded a load of clothes. I put the towels in the dryer. They'll be dry in the morning. And I talked to Lucas tonight. I talked to Dilion tonight. And we talked to Ronnie's dad tonight. And yeah, I just set the alarm for 5:30 in the morning. We will be getting up early and going and doing our shopping for the rest of the month of December. So we will be going out tomorrow, and that'll be nice. Me and my honey.
That's right. Going on our date tomorrow, baby.
That's right. Our date, shopping date, we call it. So if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you part of Kiddos Corral. We look like we've got some nasty weather headed this way. And I just pray that each and every one of you is safe and healthy and doing good.
Yeah, because some of you is going to get a whole lot of rain. And
yeah, there's a lot of rain coming for a lot of people and possible bad storms again. So
be careful, be safe, and be wise.
That's right. Take care of yourselves. And we will be talking to you all again soon. God bless, guys.